The unbelievable journey of Jim Simons, the codebreaker who became a trading legend. Jim Simons was born in Newton, Massachusetts in 1938. His father worked as a shoe salesman, while his mother was a homemaker. Despite growing up in a middle-class family, young Jim displayed an exceptional aptitude for mathematics at an early age. He skipped grades in elementary school, and by the time he reached high school, he was already studying advanced calculus. After graduating from MIT with a degree in mathematics in 1961, Simons was recruited by the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he spent 2 years as a junior member. During this time, he made significant contributions to the field of geometric measurements and was awarded the prestigious Morgan Prize for his work. However, Simons' academic career took an unexpected turn when he was recruited by the newly formed RAND Corporation in Santa Monica, California. At RAND, Simons was tasked with developing codes and ciphers for the US Navy during the height of the Cold War. This experience would prove to be a pivotal moment in Simons' life, shaping him into the legendary trader that he is today. But how did this quiet, unassuming mathematician become one of the most successful traders of all time? And what can we learn from his incredible journey? In this video, we'll explore the life and career of Jim Simons, a man who defied the odds and achieved extraordinary success through his unique approach to trading and risk management. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious observer of human achievement, we think you'll agree that Jim Simons' story is truly something special. So sit back, relax, and join us as we uncover the secrets behind the success of one of the world's greatest living traders. After completing his service at RAND, Simons went on to teach mathematics at Harvard University and MIT before co-founding the renowned Stony Brook University Mathematical Institute. It was here that Simons made a name for himself as an expert in geometric measurements, attracting the attention of major universities and government agencies alike. His academic career was flourishing, but something was missing. Simons felt a deep sense of dissatisfaction with the limitations of academia and yearned for a new challenge. This led him to take a position at IBM in the late 1960s, where he could apply his mathematical expertise to real-world problems. At IBM, Simons was responsible for developing encryption algorithms, and soon found himself working on top-secret projects for the US government. While his work was highly classified, it is believed that he played a key role in developing some of the most secure encryption methods used by the government at the time. However, Simons' tenure at IBM was not without its challenges. He clashed with his superiors over his unconventional approach to problem solving and his refusal to conform to the status quo. Despite this, his innovative solutions to complex problems continued to impress, and he was soon recruited by the prestigious Massachusetts Institute of Technology. As a professor of applied mathematics at MIT, Simons had more freedom to explore his own interests and develop new ideas. He also began to publish papers on a wide range of topics from game theory to quantum field theory, establishing himself as a leading expert in his field. However, it was during this time that Simons' life took an unexpected turn. He attended a party hosted by a mutual friend and met a woman named Marjorie Ross. The two hit it off immediately and soon began dating. Marjorie was a former ballerina who had studied mathematics at Smith College. She was drawn to Simons' intelligence and passion for learning, while Simons was captivated by her grace and beauty. They were married in 1970, and the couple went on to have 3 children together. Despite the demands of his career, Simons made it a priority to be present for his family. He was a devoted husband and father who valued their love and support above all else. In fact, Simons credits his wife with helping him maintain perspective and balance in his life. Together, they built a strong foundation for their family and created a loving environment for their children to grow up in. In 1968, Simons co-authored a groundbreaking paper on the geometric measurement of volumes, which earned him international recognition and established him as a leading expert in the field. This paper, along with his other academic achievements, caught the attention of the US government, and he was recruited to work on top-secret projects at the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. His work involved developing encryption algorithms and other mathematical solutions to complex defense-related problems. Simons excelled in this environment, and his contributions were highly valued, but he soon grew weary of the secrecy and the constraints placed on his work. He longed for the freedom to explore new ideas without the fear of government interference. In 1981, Simmons seized an opportunity to break free from the confines of government-sponsored research and ventured into the world of finance. He co-founded the Renaissance Technologies Corporation with several colleagues from MIT and IBM. Unlike traditional finance companies, Renaissance Technologies did not engage in conventional investment strategies or rely on conventional analysis. Instead, the company focused on developing innovative trading algorithms and techniques based on cutting-edge mathematics and data analysis. One of the most successful strategies employed by Renaissance Technologies is known as the collar strategy. This approach involves buying and selling options on the same underlying stock, creating a unique payoff profile that can generate substantial returns in a relatively short period. This strategy requires a high level of mathematical sophistication and an understanding of probability theory and statistics. Another strategy employed by Renaissance Technologies is known as the volatility smile strategy. This approach involves exploiting the difference between the implied volatility of an option and its realized volatility. Implied volatility refers to the amount of volatility an option buyer is willing to pay for, while realized volatility is the actual amount of volatility in the underlying stock. When the implied volatility is greater than the realized volatility, the option is said to be undervalued, and vice versa. By identifying options that are mispriced based on their implied and realized volatility, traders can potentially generate substantial profits. In addition to these strategies, Renaissance Technologies employs a variety of other quantitative approaches to trading, including the use of machine learning algorithms and artificial intelligence. These advanced techniques allow the company to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns and trends that would be invisible to the naked eye. The firm's commitment to innovation and its willingness to embrace cutting-edge technology have allowed it to achieve extraordinary results and outperform traditional investment firms. Renaissance Technologies' unique approach to trading has resulted in impressive performance over the years. Since its inception, the company has generated an average annual return of 66%, which is far beyond the average returns of traditional investment firms. This exceptional performance has made Renaissance Technologies one of the most successful hedge funds of all time, and its strategies have been studied and emulated by traders and investors around the world. Despite its success, Renaissance Technologies remains relatively unknown to the general public. The company's strategies are highly confidential, and its clients are mostly institutional investors such as pension funds and sovereign wealth funds. This lack of transparency has led to speculation and rumors about the company's strategies. But the truth is that Renaissance Technologies' success is the result of hard work, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Its team of highly skilled mathematicians, scientists, and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of finance, and its advanced trading algorithms and techniques are the envy of the industry. As we've seen, Jim Simons' journey to becoming a legendary trader was a long and winding one. From his early days as a codebreaker at Rand, to his pioneering work in geometric measurements and his eventual foray into the world of finance, Simmons' story is one of innovation, determination, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. His unique approach to trading has resulted in extraordinary success and established Renaissance Technologies as one of the most successful hedge funds of all time. As we look to the future, we can expect Simmons and his team at Renaissance Technologies to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of finance and to continue generating impressive returns for their clients. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Jim Simons' incredible journey and what you think about the future of finance. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you'd never miss out on any of our latest videos. We've got plenty more fascinating stories and valuable insights to come. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.